there guys, so today we're going to talk about the speeds and feeds for the Genmitsu 3018 ProVer V2. Now my CNC is already upgraded with a 300 watt spindle motor. Now let's jump into the software. So let's start with Diesel. I have uploaded the design and the SVG will be available for free on my website. The link is in the description of this video. I have a few tabs to secure the elements and my pine board is around 18mm thick, so I give it a little bit less so it creates a thin onion layer. Then I've used the Genmitsu 1/8 2 flutes flat end mill, and now what really matters. I went with a feed rate of 1200mm per minute, however I guess you could sit between 1000 and 1500. And this was a test for me as well. And around half of the job I've upped for 1400mm per minute. The plunge rate goes for half of it and the depth was 1.5mm. The spindle was in full speed on 12k RPMs. And for all this it gave me an estimate of 17 minutes and it was pretty accurate. Now for the plywood board, the design was the same, however the board was only 10mm thick. I've used the same bit as before, and now for the feeds. I've started with 900mm per minute, however I've ended at 1000mm per minute. Here you can go between 800 and 1200mm per minute, the plunge rate is half and the depth was 1.5mm. However, I think I should be more conservative on this one and should went with only 1mm. The spindle was around 10k RPMs, the estimate time was 11 minutes, which also was accurate. It's less than the previous one, but this board was also thinner, so keep that in mind.